We're going fishing down the Hawkesbury.
There she is, mate. The big M.
Loading the swags up. Righto, down here on the Hawkesbury today, just about to set sail. Weather's pretty good for fishing. Overcast, light winds. Hopefully it stays that way all day, and find a little beach or something to camp on tonight. Going to be chasing flathead. Always sort of hoping for a dew, but the main thing is we're going to go flathead, try and get a feed. We didn't bring any food, so the plan is to catch and cook a few flatties. We're well nutritioned at the moment. Had good Macca's feed for brekkie on the way down. Bit late, it's 11 o'clock. We're planning to be a few hours earlier, but a few too many scoons last night. Yeah, kept us sleeping in for a bit, but we'll see how we go down here today. It's looking pretty good. Let's do it. Yes, there's a flatty. Yeah. No. Thought that was going to be better than that. Are you going to have a taco tonight?
I'll try.
You're going to have to, because there's nothing else. Very lucky. Bill's just got a nice one there, about 45 centimetres. Not bad. It's the perfect size to keep. We've caught about 6 undersize, 6 around 40, 35 to 40, but we've let all them go. But that one there, there's plenty of meat on there. You get 2 of them and that'll do us for the night. So we'll be putting him on ice. Bill. So we're struggling at the moment. We've only got a few flathead, one small dew. It's 3:45 in the arvo. Quick pit stop, make a quick bacon egg wrap, and then hopefully the servo turns on. But this wind's picked right up and it's pretty yuck actually. But fingers crossed, calms down. We might be able to lay into a few of the servo. Actually, won't be too bad if I just go, just drop a heap of the red off. Yeah. Oh, I thought that was going to be. It's pretty. Yeah, this is a good fish. I don't know what this is, eh? Not fighting like a fucking. This is a big fish.
Oil.
It's quick, whatever it is. Oh, it's a big tailor, is it? It's a big tailor, I reckon. Could be a dewy. It's come to the surface, but so I don't think it'd be a dewy. It's a big tailor. Oh, quick, it just snapped off. Literally just snapped right there. That's a big beast, Taylor. For any kill. FC Rock. Sunline. Oh yes. This is heavy too, man. It's a flathead. This is pretty heavy. Ah, no, I got on the GoPro. This is a pretty big fish, I reckon, eh? Yeah, no. Feel pretty nice. He's actually probably a bit bigger. He's not bad. Wrapped himself up. I got that. I'm getting dewy vibes right now. Getting real good dewy vibes. Yeah, that's a dewy. Just go easy because you got that light drag. It's got big head shakes.
Oh, what?
It's a dewy. That'll do me. That will do me. Lure just fell out, but there's the dewy vibes coming through. Nah, it's not that big, I don't think. It's a flatty. Yeah, it was a long way away. It's another, what, good eating size fish. It's another not bad fish, eh? Just finished up out there. First session, we come right at the end, smashed a few decent flatties, a few little dew, one good tailor. Kept a couple of the flatties and we're going to cook them up now. We just pulled up to the campsite for the night. Check it out. Little Sequoia Beach, bang the swags up, cook some feed, a few beers. It's going to be real good. How good is this? Cheers. Righto, just floured them up a little, just a dusting of flour, heap of butter, heap of olive oil, extra virgin, and then just give them some heat. They should be good. Just start making the burritos. There we go, poor lighting, but Little burritos. Bit of lemon over the top with the tartare sauce. Cooked perfectly, that flathead. Yum, yum, yum. Give him a go, Bill, first crack. He doesn't even like fish. Might be hot.
Not bad, mate.
She'll do. The old heavens opened up for us last night. She's a pretty rough sleep. In me 1993 swag. Pulled up water. Got wet from 1 o'clock onwards. And then it was pissing down early morning, so we didn't even go fishing. We're up now, gonna go local cafe. Coffee, bacon egg wrap. And going out tide, so might try and sting a few more flatties. Bit belted, but he was a tough sleep, mate.
Oh, yeah.
It's more fish. How are we looking? Is it still on?
Yeah.
We might have a decent one here. It's going to be massive. He's a good fish. He's a good fish. Bring it up slow. Bring it up real slow. Oh, fuck. I need him to come higher. bring him out this way a bit. Nice, Bill. That's a good fish.
That's the one, almost.
Ooh.
That's dinner.
Take it, I'll just get us away from this boat. That's a good fish.
That's a monster.
That'd be pushing 70, I reckon, 66. Big flathead, Bill. There we go. Let me come up here with you. Swing his body around this way. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, it's flooded. That looks heavy. That looks heavy. Bill Foster. Wow, that's even bigger. Lures out. Billy, just banging him. What a fish. That's sick.
Change up technique a bit.
That's a good one. That is a real good one. We're gonna have to get the other brag mate out for that one.
Could be that same.
Nah, he's a bit bigger. He'd be low 70s. How good. Let's get this in. Bill's just banged a 70 centimetre floody. What a fish. Always let the big girls go, so we'll send this one home. That's 2 70s in about 10 minutes for Billy. How good watching them swim off. Perfect. Bill.
Happy day.
All finished up. On the way home, ended it with a nice coffee and a nice big meat pie. Best combo going, eh, Bill? Goes together like flathead and soft vibes. Anyway, we had a pretty good weekend. Caught a heap of fish. Billy smashed them this morning. A couple of nice floodies, 2 70 centimetre floodies. A few small dew. Got a few 50 centimetre flooded in the esky. Just there to cook up tonight. Had some last night. Real good. If you're liking these videos, we're going to keep pumping them out, so subscribe to the channel, and hopefully we can keep catching fish and keep putting them up. Cheers for watching.